All right, dreamers, hustlers, future digital CEOs, and anyone tired of trading precious hours for pennies, gather round the digital campfire. My name is, and today we're not just talking about posting cute cat videos or that latte art you nailed once. Today, we're talking about turning your Instagram Reels into a legit, consistent, $1,000 per week cash machine. And yes, this is absolutely possible. I've seen it, I've done it, and I've coached hundreds to do it. Buckle up, because your financial trajectory is about to get a serious upgrade. Let's be brutally honest for a second. How many of you scroll through Instagram, see someone seemingly living the dream? Traveling, working from a beach, buying fancy coffee without checking their bank balance, and think, how? Seriously, how? Is it magic? Rich parents? Did they sell their soul to the algorithm? Well, spoiler alert, it's usually none of those things. More often than not, they cracked the Reels code. They understood that Reels isn't just entertainment. It's the most powerful, accessible, free distribution network for your skills, personality, and value on the planet right now. Think of it as your personal, 24/7 global talent show where the prize isn't just applause, it's cold, hard cash landing in your bank account. Every single week. The problem? Most people approach Reels like a digital diary, random, inconsistent, hoping for magic. They post when they feel like it, about whatever they feel like, with zero strategy. Then they get 7 views, 3 of which are probably their mom and 2 alt accounts, and declare, see? It doesn't work. Friend, that's like throwing a single seed in your backyard and being shocked when you don't have a salad bar the next day. The solution? A proven, step-by-step system. This isn't about luck. It's about understanding the game and playing it smarter. And that's exactly what I'm handing you today. Forget vague advice. This is your blueprint. Step 1. Find your golden niche and nail your hook. The 3-second rule is law. You cannot be everything to everyone. Trying to appeal to everyone means you resonate with no one. Your niche is your kingdom. What are you genuinely passionate and knowledgeable about? Fitness hacks for busy moms? Budget vegan recipes that don't taste like cardboard? Mind-blowing Excel shortcuts? Quirky thrift flips? Pick your battlefield. Then, master the hook. The first 3 seconds of your reel are make or break. You are fighting the almighty scroll. Ask a shocking question. Show an insane transformation. Use a bold text overlay like, "Stop wasting money on," or just look genuinely excited. Your hook needs to scream, "Don't you dare scroll past me." Pro tip, watch your own reel habits. What makes you stop dead in your tracks? Do that. Step 2, value, value, value. Solve a problem or spark joy. No fluff allowed. Once you've hooked them, deliver. Every single reel must give your viewer something valuable. Are you teaching them a skill? Saving them time? Saving them money? Making them laugh so hard they snort their coffee? That's value too. Your content must either solve a specific problem or evoke a strong positive emotion. No vague, motivational quotes without context. Show the how, give the actionable tip, reveal the secret. Be the answer to someone's silent Google search. Become their go-to expert. Step 3. Embrace the algorithm's love language, consistency, and trends, but add your twist. The algorithm rewards frequency and relevance. Aim for at least 1 high-quality reel per day, especially when starting. Yes, daily. I know. But I have a life, job, kids, a goldfish. This is your business investment. Batch create. Film 3 to 5 reels in one focused session. Use trending sounds strategically. Find ones that fit your niche and message, but always put your unique spin on it. Don't just blindly copy the dance. Use the sound to teach your tip or showcase your product. Show up reliably, and the algorithm will start showing you to the right people. Step 4. Master the art of the scroll-stopping visual. It's not rocket science, but it matters. You don't need a Hollywood studio. You need good lighting. Natural light is free and amazing. Clear audio, a $20 lav mic works wonders, and engaging visuals. Use text overlays. People watch without sound. Use dynamic cuts, zooms, transitions, but don't overdo it. Show your face. People connect with people. Be authentic. Be energetic. Be you. Your personality is your biggest asset. Don't hide it. Step 5. Monetize like a boss. The $1,000 per week blueprint. Here's where the magic happens. How do you actually get paid? Instagram bonuses, your foundation. Yes, Instagram pays you just for creating great reels that get views and engagement. While programs change, focus on high-quality, original content that keeps people watching. This is your baseline income. Affiliate marketing. Leverage your influence. Recommend products or services you genuinely love and use within your niche. Use trackable links. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Find programs like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or brand-specific, relevant to your audience. A single viral reel reviewing an awesome product can generate hundreds overnight. Your own digital products, the real wealth builder. This is the key to scaling past $1,000 per week. You've built trust and authority. Now solve a bigger problem for your audience with your product. This is what the link in my description is all about. Think educational guides, your step-by-step system for ebooks, deep dives into specific challenges your audience faces, inspirational manuals, chalked workbooks, helping them implement change, templates, social media planners, budgeting sheets, workout routines, online courses, the ultimate transformation package, coaching, consulting, personalized guidance. One well-crafted digital product, promoted consistently to your engaged Reels audience, can generate that $1,000 per week and far, far beyond. It's creating an asset that works for you 24/7. Step 6. Engage like your income depends on it, because it does. Reply to every comment meaningfully. Answer DMs. Ask questions in your captions. Run polls. Show your audience you see them. This builds a loyal community who trusts you, which translates directly into sales when you recommend something. Community is currency. Shift tone slightly, more reflective but still powerful. Look, I won't sugarcoat it. This takes work. It takes showing up even when the views are low. It takes pushing past the awkwardness of filming yourself. It takes consistency when motivation is hiding under the bed. But here's the undeniable truth. The compound effect of daily strategic action is unstoppable. Imagine this. 90 days from now, you wake up, you check your phone, notifications from sales of your ebook, an affiliate commission from that tool you recommended, an Instagram bonus payment, your weekly total? Over $1,000. And it's growing. You created this. You built this asset from your phone, from your passion. That laptop lifestyle, it's not a fantasy. It's your future, waiting for you to hit record. Build energy back up, passionate finish. The tools are free. The audience is massive. The opportunity is right now. Instagram Reels is your stage, your storefront, your digital ATM. Stop scrolling aimlessly. Start creating strategically. Stop dreaming about freedom. Start building it, one viral-worthy, value-packed reel at a time. Your $1,000 per week blueprint starts today. Ready to dive deep? Ready to skip the months of trial and error and get the exact scripts, templates, niche strategies, and product creation blueprints? The link in the description is your golden ticket. I've packed everything: the advanced hook formulas, the monetization playbook, the content calendars, the product creation secrets. into our Ultimate Reels Wealth Bundle. Educational guides, ebooks, inspirational manuals, and more. This is your shortcut to mastery. Click that link, invest in yourself, and let's get you paid. Do me a huge favor. Like this video right now if you're pumped to start your Reels empire. Subscribe and hit that bell for more insane value bombs that will transform your online income. Share this with one friend who needs to see this. Tag them below. Let's build a community of successful creators together. The algorithm rewards action. Take yours now. Click the link, grab your bundle, and let's make your first $1,000 week a reality. I believe in you. Now go show the world what you've got.